Ready to buy once and drive forever? Let's go. At number 9, the Subaru Outback, the SUV that basically invented the crossover segment. Most Outbacks sail past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and brake jobs. I've personally seen these hit 300,000 when owners stick to maintenance. Insurance companies love them too, thanks to their top Safety Pick Plus rating from IIHS. Safer car equals lower premium, saving you money every month. Unlike many SUVs that market all-wheel drive as a pricey option, Subaru makes it standard. That consistency means less wear, better stability, and fewer costly surprises. If you shop smart, the 2020 model year is the sweet spot. Modern tech, safety features, and rock-solid reliability at a used price that won't wreck your retirement savings. Sliding into number 8 is the Toyota RAV4, the best-selling SUV in America for a reason. Older RAV4s regularly cross 300,000 miles without a single major repair. I've seen 2010 models still running strong on their original drivetrain. Here's the financial lesson. Buying a RAV4 isn't just about reliability, it's about equity. Unlike cars that lose half their value the moment you drive off the lot, a RAV4 is more like a savings bond. You can cash out years later and still get a solid return. That's depreciation protection most SUVs can only dream about. At number 7, the Acura RDX, probably the most underrated luxury SUV in America. While everyone chases BMWs and Mercedes, the RDX quietly delivers the same luxury experience for half the cost without the maintenance nightmares. Here's the secret. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX shared its powertrain with the Honda Pilot. That means you're getting a bulletproof 3.5-liter V6 and Honda's proven 6-speed automatic, wrapped in a luxury interior. It's basically a Honda Pilot in a suit and tie. Many RDX owners report hitting 150,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Try doing that with a BMW X3 without a $5,000 transmission bill. And because it's a luxury badge, insurance companies often classify it differently. You could actually pay less than a Ford Escape. Coming in at number 6 is the Hyundai Santa Fe. A decade ago, Hyundai wasn't known for reliability, but the Santa Fe has completely rewritten that story. The secret? Warranty coverage. Hyundai backs this SUV with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Translation, even if something big goes wrong, you're not footing the repair bill. Real-world Hyundai Santa Fe owners are cruising past 200,000 miles with little more than oil changes, brakes, and tires. Fuel economy is solid, resale value keeps climbing, and insurance rates are usually cheaper than rivals like Jeep or Volkswagen. At number 5, the Lexus LX, the armored tank of luxury SUVs. Underneath the leather seats, it's basically a Toyota Land Cruiser, legendary for lasting longer than some people's mortgages. These machines are famous for hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles. In parts of Africa and the Middle East, some have racked up over 1 million miles. Yes, it guzzles fuel, expect 15 to 17 mpg, but the trade-off is reliability that makes German rivals look fragile. While a Mercedes G-Wagon hits you with $2,500 repair bills, the LX keeps going with nothing more than oil changes, and depreciation is almost non-existent. Used LX models still command staggering prices because once you buy one, you may never need another SUV. Cracking into the top 4 is the Mazda CX-5, proof you don't need to choose between style and reliability. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances, but the CX-5 actually drives like a car you want to be in. Here's something I love. Unlike many rivals, the CX-5 doesn't use a CVT. Instead, you get a real 6-speed automatic that's both smoother and more reliable. That alone saves you thousands in potential repair bills. RepairPal gives the CX-5 an impressive 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating. Resale value stays strong, and annual maintenance costs are lower than most competitors in its class. At number 3, the Subaru Forester, practically bulletproof. Consumer Reports gave it an astonishing 98 out of 100 reliability score. Now, Subaru's CVT transmissions had issues a decade ago, but here's the truth. Subaru fixed the problem. As long as you change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, you'll avoid the horror stories and keep this SUV running smoothly for decades. Owners routinely push their Foresters past 200,000 miles. Add in standard all-wheel drive, top safety ratings, and fuel efficiency better than many mid-size competitors, and you've got one of the smartest buys in the SUV market. At number 2, the Honda CR-V, the SUV that finally knocked the Toyota RAV4 off its throne. The latest CR-V delivers better handling, better standard safety features, and even better fuel efficiency, topping out at 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the real shocker. Some second-generation CR-Vs from the early 2000s are closing in on 500,000 miles. That's 500,000 miles without ever needing a major rebuild. Few vehicles on Earth can claim that kind of staying power. Insurance companies love the CR-V thanks to its IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, meaning you'll save money every month. And resale? Honda's reputation keeps values sky high. At number 1, the Honda HR-V, the little brother of the CR-V that's just as tough. Don't let its small size fool you. The HR-V is one of the most reliable small SUVs on the market. Owners regularly report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with almost no major repairs. And because it's smaller than the CR-V, you get even better fuel efficiency, up to 34 miles per gallon highway, while still enjoying Honda's top-tier safety ratings. Insurance companies love this SUV too. The HR-V's low accident repair costs keep premiums in check. And just like its bigger CR-V sibling, it holds resale value incredibly well.